Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and as we can see that there is not much volatility or movement on the chart of USD CAD here. And if you have watched my previous video, then you can easily recognize these two lines because more or less things have not changed much for the USD CAD chart here. You can see that I have got two lines here. Okay, so this is the resistance and this is the support for the market. Before going into the technical part, okay, let's try to see what the retail traders are thinking. And if we come to the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhajarika.com under Forex 101 section. The Forex sentiment meter is telling us that 49% retail traders have taken short position and 50% retail traders have taken long position. So you can clearly see that for retail traders are also quite confused right now. They are also in dilemma. They are also not sure whether the market will be going up or going down. As a result, you are seeing a ratio of 49:50 here. So generally we get a clear-cut direction what they are thinking. For example, you can take the example of Euro USD. You can see that 16% retail traders have taken short position and 83% traders have taken long position, which means that they are thinking that the market will be going up now. But in the case of USD CAD here, you can see that they are quite confused. They are also not sure. And if we go to the Forex volatility calculator here, you can see that there is not much volatility on the chart. Just see, in the 15 minutes chart there is a movement of only 2 pips. In the 30 minutes chart there is a movement of 2.9 pips. In the 1 hour chart there is a movement of only 4 pips. In the 4 hours chart there is only a volatility or movement of 12.7 pips. So you can easily see that the market is extremely dull here. There is not much movement in the market right now. And one more thing, I have recently launched the Pro Trader membership here, where I'll be sharing my analysis. Okay, I'll be sharing around 3 to 4 analysis per week, and I'll be giving you the report which are the best forex pairs to trade right now. If you want to know how will it look like, then you just click on this PDF button. A sample report will start downloading, and you can go through it. Okay, and that's it. And I have kept the price very low, only $15 per month. Anyways, you have understood what is the retail traders are thinking right now. They are confused. So let's jump to the chart and let's discuss what should be our strategy. So you can see that I have got two lines here. This is the resistance, this is the support. And if we look at the chart here, then there is no doubt that this market is an uptrend. You can clearly see that this market is an uptrend, and the basic rule or the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend, which means that if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, then we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. And as we can clearly see that this market is an uptrend, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities. And the second important thing is area of value. As I have already discussed in my hundreds and hundreds of videos, that area of value or finding out the area of value is very important or extremely crucial. Area of value means the best trading spot or the best trading opportunity. In an uptrend market, the best trading spot or the best trading buying opportunity is always near the support. On the other hand, in a downtrend market, the best shorting opportunity or the best selling opportunity is always near the resistance. And this market is an uptrend, there is no doubt. Therefore, our area of value, the best trading opportunity, will be always near the support. And you can see that I have drawn a trend line here, which is acting as a dynamic support for the market. As you can clearly see here, whenever price is coming down, we are getting, or the market is getting, support from this trend line. Therefore, this trend line is a valid support. And therefore I'll request you, if you do not have this line in your trading platform, then my dear friend, please draw this line so that you can understand the market better, so that you can also do the proper analysis. Okay, so going by this trend line and the trend of the market, the first trading opportunity in front of you is buy at support, which means that right now market is trading here. You need to wait for the market to come down. When market will reach this trend line, then just observe the price and see how the price is doing. If you see price bouncing back or price reversing from here, then just click on the buy button. That is the best opportunity here. And see, and right now you can see that market is trading in the middle, so do not think about taking any position here, because see, if you go for a buy here, your stop loss will be here, your risk to reward ratio does not match, and this market is in uptrend. Therefore no point of shorting the market right now at this particular portion at least. Okay, so you'll have to, if you are looking for a good trade, then this is your only trading opportunity here. This is your best trading and the safest trading opportunity here. Wait for a market to come down and hit this support level. That's it. Okay, and the second trading opportunity is, as you can see that I have also got a line here, 1.2610 is a resistance for the market. I have been saying that this level is resistance. You must be thinking, why am I saying that this is a resistance? Because this is a resistance from the weekly chart. This is a weekly chart, and let me remove the drawings so that you can see better. Okay, right now you can see that market was trying to go up, but market has failed. Okay, here you can see that market did go up, but there was severe price rejection from below. There the price failed to sustain above the resistance. As a result, price came down, and you can see that market is still trading below this resistance level. Previously also, okay, in the month of May, March, April, when market was trying the same thing again, market failed to cross the resistance. So one thing is clear to us right now from the weekly chart, that 1.2610 is a valid resistance for the market, and because this resistance belongs to the weekly chart, the time frame of the big boys, the big players. Therefore, my dear friends, do not mess with this level, and if possible, please draw a line in your charting platform. So you have understood that the best trading opportunity is taking a buy order here. So when you will be buying here, so this will be your take profit target. Keep in mind, this will be your take profit target, 1.2610. And on the other hand, okay, as this resistance level belongs to the weekly chart, the time frame of the institutional traders, therefore I'm hoping that, or I'm quite positive that market will be facing trouble in crossing this level. If you see, okay, let's assume market goes up from here, and if you see price struggling near this level, or if you see price is unable to cross this level, then you can short the market here also. Generally, I do not prefer to take any trade against the trend. USD CAD is an uptrend right now, but still I'm telling you that you can short the market because of this resistance from the weekly chart. Okay, so let's see where the market goes, how the market rolls. If it comes down and takes support at this trend line, that is the best opportunity. Okay, and if it goes up and if it reverses from here, the weekly resistance, you can also short the market if it is good enough. So these are the opportunities in front of us right now. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.